Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to go down to make a big wave C, a big downtrend. I still think the 100% or possibly the 78.6 is the most likely area for this to make a wave C, or if it really is a wave 3, it potentially would go a lot lower than that. So either way, let's head down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, to me, it still looks like this move down is a wave one. I still am calling this move up a wave two, and I still think eventually it's going to go down, make a three, a four, and a wave five, most likely a one, two, three, four, five of wave C. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the US dollar CAD did end up continuing back up. I mean, it does seem pretty clear that this is a wave A. This is three waves down for a wave B. Kind of looks like this is an ending diagonal because it's very overlapping, but it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. At this point, I think the 61.8 is very likely, and then that would also take out the high of wave 4, which is exactly what a wave 2 should do. So I think that will probably continue up at least to that 61.8 before it actually does end up continuing down for that big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, really, you should probably still be looking for longs at least until we get up to the 61.8. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it did push down a little bit, but even if it does, I think it's just going to be part of a correction to the uptrend. I think at this point, the 61.8 is a very likely area for this to end up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it really might just end up continuing up from here. I mean, I was looking at this morning, thinking that this might be a wave A, and this might be like three waves up for B, and it possibly could turn down for a wave C before it actually does end up continuing up. So that definitely is a possibility that it makes a more proper looking ABC before it keeps going up. But the way things are going, I mean, I really wouldn't be surprised at all if this just kept on trending up. We do have some Canadian news today, so I mean that definitely could change things. But for now, whether it does that or whether it does this, either scenario, I am definitely looking for longs, especially if it makes a three-way pullback, nice traditional A, B, C, then that's going to be an even nicer opportunity to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.